Yeedi M16 Infinity versus Narwal Flow. Which roller mop robot cleans better? For next-generation floor cleaning, both robots excel, but the Yeedi M16 Infinity offers better value, stronger cleaning, and smart home integration, while the Narwal Flow stands out for premium design and refined navigation. Both the Yeedi M16 Infinity and Narwal Flow offer self-cleaning roller mops, hot water washing, hot air drying, AI obstacle avoidance, edge cleaning, auto dust emptying, auto water refill, smart app controls, and Alexa or Google Assistant support, with Matter compatibility still to be confirmed. Both robots use self-cleaning roller mops instead of dual spinning pads. Yeedi offers a wider cleaning path, while Narwal stands out with a more refined premium design, giving Narwal a slight edge. Both robots use continuously self-cleaning roller mops for better stain removal, cleaner floors, fewer streaks, and improved sticky spill pickup, outperforming traditional spinning mop pads. Both robots deliver flagship suction for pet hair, crumbs, carpets, and hard floors, but Yeedi has a slight edge in vacuum performance, especially for carpet-heavy homes. Both robots feature intelligent edge cleaning for better baseboard coverage, delivering similarly strong performance. Both robots use AI obstacle avoidance, multi-floor mapping, and self-maintaining docks that empty dust, refill water, and wash and dry the roller, making maintenance easy. Both robots support Alexa and Google Assistant, while Matter support remains limited. Their apps offer scheduling, room cleaning, cleaning history, and customization, with Narwal's app holding a slight edge.
Go to GearBrain for more information.